Over the last 6 years, I've made over $14 million online from 11 different income streams.
I made another video about this video the other day, but unfortunately, nobody liked it. Nobody wanted to watch more than 1 minute. I get it, because these $14 million is a lot of money. My viewers don't believe that they can achieve it. Secondly, this video is more about work and taking action, not imaginary passive income that don't exist. So today I am back, but instead of showing or reviewing the content of this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money, even if you have a 9-to-5 day job and the maximum time you have is 1 to 2 hours per day. Before we begin, let's go back a little bit. Every time I react on a video or review a video, I analyze that video with AI and basically learn everything about the video, the content, the opportunities, turn it into bite-sized, step-by-step and consumable content for you guys. And one of the things that AI does for me is it tells me how the video creator is making money. In fact, why the video creator even made this video. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content, and inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video. So here are the reasons this video creator made his video. Number 1, show off his journey and expertise. Prove that he made millions and he knows his stuff. This builds trust. Attract coaching clients. He says, apply to work with me a few times. That means this video is a part of a sales funnel. I love this transparency. It means he's telling the truth. No one can make money without selling anything, including you. And no one can learn anything all by themselves without signing up to any program. However, let's go to the description and check this link out. That's the link and this is his website. Okay, no need to overcomplicate and see what he is offering. No need to read anything. Just scroll and have a quick look. This is a pretty much basic website that literally anyone can build. But I assume you are a beginner. You have never built a website before. That's okay, we got you. And before I show you how to build a website without experience and technical knowledge, literally in a couple of seconds, let me show you some money. I'm at Upwork.com. Now look at this. The first guy is from Pakistan. He made $90,000 building WordPress websites. Another one from Bangladesh earned $20,000 building websites. This guy here made $100,000. 6 figures, and he charges $49 per hour for website designing, revamping, etc. If you are curious, go ahead, help yourself. Check all these people who made tons of money. Like, look at this. This guy made over $400,000 doing this work. Why did they make money? Because clients need this work. Every business needs a website, and every business has a budget to spend money on website building. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. If you want to do research, go to perplexity.ai, click deep research and ask this: how good is website building as a freelancing or agency service? Give me detailed research report in 6th graders reading level. I am planning to start this business. Hit enter and leave the hard work to Perplexity. Now, we want to learn how to build websites like this. There are many ways to do it. What I have done is this. I went to Claude AI and I uploaded the screenshot of the full website and then wrote this. Create a template from the attached website so I can use this for anyone with their own information. That's all I wrote and nothing else. And AI built the website template for me in a matter of a few seconds. Again, if you have never done it, you feel like it's empty, but as an experienced person, I know it has everything. All I need to do is to provide the images, the videos, the text that we need to put here in the template. And when we put all this information, this website will be ready. Now you can see there are tons of information that we need to put in. I want all this information in the form of questions in one place. So next time I want to build this website, all I'm going to do is first prepare the questions and then start building this website. So I asked, what are the questions that we need answers of before using this template? And AI analyzed this website and gave me a set of 15 questions. Now let me show you what happens when the complete information about you, your business, and your offer is ready. Let's say you got a client at Upwork and they know their business. They already have the information ready. They can either give you answers to the questions one by one, or they can give you a webinar or a presentation about their business. For me, I have a presentation like that. So I'm going to click this plus button, click upload a file, and I will upload the transcript of a webinar. And I typed collect the answers to the questions from the webinar transcript and hit enter and see the magic. Now AI is gathering all the information all by itself from the 1 hour long webinar. And look at this. Isn't this amazing? Now, before I start, I would have a quick look at what is going on right here, whether the answers are 100% correct or not. If there is any mistake, I will just correct it. I just suggested some corrections and hit enter. Now AI is correcting the mistakes. Look at this. This looks so nice. Look at this. This is so satisfying, right? And once AI is done correcting all the mistakes, we are ready to create the website. Now I said, now code the website for me using the information. Video link, I provided the link to the webinar. And let's enjoy the show. Literally in front of you, the AI is writing the code for the website. Do you think there is any involvement of previous experience or knowledge or anything at all? Even I don't know what's going on because I'm not a coder. I have never written a single line of code in my life. Now I'm using Claude for a reason. I have used all other platforms, but I figured Claude is great at writing text, writing copies, and writing code. And it builds beautifully designed websites, even without asking for it. Now let Claude continue coding. In the meantime, we want to see how good is website building as a freelancing or agency service. Honestly, it looks like a lot of text. So I asked, make tables, bullet points, text highlights, text formatting, and rating out of 5 to help me understand the report better. Now you'll see some tables. These tables are great to understand the summary of the report. You see this? The first line makes sense. Profitability, high profit margins up to 90%, requires consistent effort. But the cons is that it requires consistent effort to maintain profitability. But rating 5 out of 5. Startup costs very low initial investment. In fact, I can see you do not even need any investment at all. My website is literally ready. Isn't this crazy? Now, in order to use this HTML code or the website code, you simply go to the code section and copy it. Then go to your favorite website builder, add an HTML element. Paste this full code right here, click save, then hit publish. Now I am using Go High Level because I love Go High Level. Unfortunately, Go High Level is expensive. It costs you $297 per month. But the good news is our 99% done for you program members get an account for free. It comes with their membership. And this kind of money also comes with their membership. Haha. Right. In case you are interested to know more about our 99% done for you program and earn passive commissions just like these people from wherever you are. Jason is from US, Mushfiq is from Bangladesh, Neil Napier is from Finland, Ijlal is from Pakistan, Umair is from Belgium, and I can go on and on. All you need to do is to click the link in the description, watch this training. And when you watch this training, make sure you watch the full training from start to end. And you will know everything about our business model, what we do, how we do using AI and digital marketing. After watching the training, if you have any question, ask this AI chat agent and it will answer every question you have. In case you want to chat with me directly one-on-one, simply DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook Messenger. Messenger and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Quick reminder, link is in the description. So I assume you have some kind of website builder to test your website. Or if you're already in our program, you want to try this out, go to your Go High Level account and just try it out. So look at this. There is a little bit of missing elements here and there. No problem. We know how to handle this. So this is the webinar video. 3-step Lucid Fluencer AI system. Awesome. And the details, the opt-in form, text, testimonials, some of the key elements, me and Yogesh, my partner, and questions and answers. Awesome. They even put the price here, although I don't want that, but they did it. Oh, by the way, this timer is not working. Now that you learned how much it actually takes to earn money like this, like $100,000 or $400,000 from website building business, how much cost it takes, how much skills it needs. If you can type general English and chat with AI, AI will do the job for you. When you have this opt-in form code from your email autoresponder, just give it to AI and ask to integrate it. When you have the photos of these people I can just host it on Go High Level, give the link to Claude, and the images will be here. I've got a photo of myself, so I'm gonna right click, get link, and my partner Yogesh's photo, and then I typed use them in the website. I will copy the new code again, then replace the old code with the new code, publish and refresh. And guess what? Here we are. Did I need any kind of technical knowledge for this? No. Now I'm providing the links to the images of the people who got results and gave us testimonials. Then wait and enjoy the show. I'm going to copy the code and replace the old code with the new one. Click save, publish and refresh. Look at this. The images are here and on top the program logo is here. Now I want to change things a little bit. I don't like the header section, so I want to do it manually and I want the remaining website code separately. It's still working. Okay, I'm going to take the bottom code and put it right here, and on top I'm going to add an extra element which is headline and manually add this section. Now let's publish and see what happens. Not bad, kind of. This is what I was looking for. So what we learned from this is you can actually get code for each section separately, and then you can decide whether you want the code from AI or you want to design that section manually. In any case, you learned how to build a website, a money-making website that helps this guy make $14 million. Can I get a gentle like? Can I get a subscription? If you loved this video, share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. This way, you will help us hit our goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And you help others learn something solid, learn some realistic, valuable skills that they can turn into money. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.